Still alive. Going to Busan. Waking up so early this morning. We made it. I lost my ticket earlier, but found it just in time. It's raining in Busan. Oh, bundle up.
Where we at, Mai?
Seafood market. You can order here, and then they're gonna cook, and you can eat upstairs. This is my heaven. Is that enough?
Crab. Look at that crab, man. Fortunately, Andrew has been out of the game. He's not in Busan with us because he's recovering from an ankle injury. We're gonna eat this for you, man. Now we're gonna go up here and...
You gonna try it, Kenny? Wow. Good?
The fish is really like raw fish, right? I think I'm looking to fish 8. Oh, is it the big orange one or the smaller toucans?
Still alive. Oh my god.
It's extended.
5-second rule. Would you like my sauce?
I got it.
I got it, okay.
Alright, we're cheering.
Cheers.
Oh my god. When you get that eat, not me though. Because you know that it can actually get stuck into your stomach. Yeah, like when you travel down to your sauce. Yeah, they can get stuck there.
Okay, Kenny. Why are you telling us like that? I want to do food review.
Very raw. You can tell that he used a very nice knife for this. He did very good care with the fish, obviously. Camera eats first, obviously. Soft, chewy, extravagant. Make sure you guys go to the fish market in Busan, guys.
Make a wrap.
This one's for you, Andrew.
Andrew editing this video. I was like, damn it. Screw that pothole.
So unfortunate.
Yes, you, Andrew.
I will take a shot for you, Andrew.
Kimchi review. It's not that sour, so I don't think you like it.
And you get
You're
it.
not missing out on kimchi then.
Damn, it's so good.
Look at this. So much stuff. It's recording.
I'm checking you out real quick. Alright guys, my first time having an Asian clam as an Asian American. Camera eats first, obviously. Flounder all the way from South Africa.
Why stop? You can get canceled.
Alright. Well, Andrew's gonna cut this.
No, he's not. Wow. Life is good right now.
Yeah, life is really good. What is your happy? It can be food, it can be anything. Right now, you guys. What a PR answer, right?
PR answer.
Just like a politician. It's like, little corner.
Want to cheer with that vlog? We finished everything. Finish it all. Wow. Wow. Qatar. Why Qatar? Not sure.